You may know that creating video to support your business is a good idea, but you don't know where to start. You may be ready to roll with a video idea, but you're afraid to step in front of the camera. Or you may be cranking out incredible content, but you want to collaborate with like-minded people. There's room for you in the Creator Network. Hi, my name is Neil Carroll. I'm the owner of vidwheel. I've run a traditional service-based business, a comfy little video production company, until COVID-19 hit and flipped my business upside down. Overnight, we couldn't shoot, we couldn't meet, we could hardly operate. And my job went from running that little video production company to running a pandemic-induced home daycare. For us, now is the time to evolve. With a pivot and a new product, we are converting from that service-based business to a scalable startup. But before we get to that, I have a give. We've all been on video meetings for the past 3 months, and reopen or not, that is going to continue for the foreseeable future. Let me help you look and sound your best with a free webcam coaching session. I've been doing these sessions since the beginning of the shutdown, and they can make a huge difference on how you come across on camera. So back to the pivot. In the past, our business model was quite simply that companies would come to us because we could make better video than they could. The goal of version 2.0 is that we will empower clients to make their own great video, and to do this with the flexibility and quality necessary so that they can continue to get their message out no matter what comes along. This new model is built around the vidwheel Creator Network, which is a 3-part product that includes the kit, which has everything you need to stream and record high-quality video content from your home or office. The community, which is a network of aspiring and established video creators. And the guide, which is, well, me and other experts who can help you along the way. This is a community-based approach to video production. It will empower anyone to create high-quality, effective video content. I hope you'll check it out, and please share it with anyone you think might find it beneficial. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.